Hello everyone, my name is Lang. Today I'm going to talk about linking sounds. The first, consonant with vowel. Just link the end consonant of this word with the begin vowel of next word. Example: my name is because I've LA 902 5050. Hold on, turnover. Tell her right, mister. The second consonant with consonant. When the same consonant sound that ends one word also begin the next word, that sound should not be pronounced twice, just pronounced one time or slightly lengthened articulation. Example: were milk, cold day. I just didn't get the chance. I've been late twice. And partial situation. Watch lame. Can't you do it? I let you know. Did you see it? How did you like it? Could you tell? Where did you send your check? Joshua, bless you. Can you dress yourself? Let them get your car for you. How's your family? Who's your friend? Where's your mom? When your birthday? Thank you for your listening.